Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the exact dilution. You need 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar to 1 liter of warm water. Once done, stir in a glass jar and allow it to cool. This prevents shock when you apply it. Make sure to inspect the fit tuber surface for damage and put on gloves to protect skin. Do a patch test on a small area for 24 hours. If any irritation appears, stop and rinse immediately, then reassess concentration. You now apply the diluted vinegar with controlled strokes so the solution contacts the target without pooling. Once applied, keep a steady pace, slow, overlapping wipes to ensure even coverage. This helps lift residues and restores balance. Make sure to limit contact time to 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse out with fresh water to remove vinegar residues. Monitor temperature and skin comfort. If they're stinging, stop immediately. After rinsing, dry the area completely to prevent moisture buildup and mold. You finish by applying a suitable protective step. For some materials, a light oil or manufacturer-approved sealant preserves finish. For skin, use a neutral moisturizer. Once dry, store any leftover mixture in a labeled jar in the fridge for up to 48 hours, because potency and safety decrease over time. If you notice irritation, odor changes, or material discoloration, immediately flush with water, stop using the product, and consult the Fit Tuber manual or customer service for replacement advice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.